What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you guys how to reset a Sony Bravia TV. If your picture starts acting up and getting all wacky and it's not in sync anymore, you're going to need to do a factory reset. Unplugging it, you can leave it unplugged for a month. It's not going to fix it. So this 32-inch here, you can see here, it's off by the indication of red. Over here to the right is a little power icon, and if you touch that sensor you can see that light just turn green. TV's booting up. Once the TV boots up, in order to do a factory reset or a hard reset, you're going to take your remote, you're going to hold the up arrow pointing at the TV. You can see that light right there flashing. Now as you're holding the remote at the TV, you touch that sensor and you can see that just went red. You leave the remote go. TV, there it is, turned on. Sony, it's booting up. And it's like the day you bought it. Right when you took it out of the box. So press English, home. I'm going to cancel because I don't have this hooked up to anything. I use it for gaming. So other than that, that's how you hard set, factory reset, whatever you want to call it, your TV.